Q. 1. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Perth. Ans. C. Explanation. Canberra is the official capital city of Australia. Q. 2. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? A. Nehru. B. Gandhi. C. Patel. D. Bose. Ans. B. Explanation. Mahatma Gandhi is called the father of the nation. 3. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Ans. B. Explanation. Mars appears red due to iron oxide on its surface. Q. 4. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? A. Tagore. B. Premchand. C. Kalidas. D. Bankim Chandra. Ans. A. Explanation. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Jana Gana Mana. Q. 5. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic. B. Indian. C. Pacific. D. Arctic. Ans. C. Explanation. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth. Q. 6. What is the national animal of India? A. Lion. B. Elephant. C. Tiger. D. Peacock. Ans. C. Explanation. Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. Q. 7. Which gas is essential for breathing? A. Nitrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. Ans. B. Explanation. Oxygen is necessary for human respiration. Q. 8. Who invented the telephone? A. Edison. B. Newton. C. Graham Bell. D. Tesla. Ans. C. Explanation. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. Q. 9. Which is the smallest continent? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. Antarctica. D. Africa. Ans. D. Explanation. Australia is the world's smallest continent. Q. 10. What is the currency of Japan? A. Dollar. B. Yuan. C. Yen. D. Won. Ans. C. Explanation. Yen is the official currency of Japan. Q. 11. Which river is called the Ganga of the South? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Kaveri. D. Mahanadi. Ans. C. Explanation. Kaveri river is called the Ganga of South India. Q. 12. Who discovered gravity? A. Einstein. B. Galileo. C. Newton. D. Faraday. Ans. C. Explanation. Isaac Newton discovered gravity after observing a falling apple. Q. 13. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Sahara. B. Gobi. C. Thar. D. Arabian. Ans. A. Explanation. Sahara Desert is the largest hot desert in the world. Q. 14. Which blood group is known as universal donor? A. B. B. C. A. B. D. O negative. Ans. D. Explanation. O negative blood can be given to all blood groups. Q. 15. Which is the national flower of India? A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Sunflower. D. Lily. Ans. D. Explanation. Lotus is India's national flower. Q. 16. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Gandhi. B. Nehru. C. Patel. D. Rajendra Prasad. Ans. D. Explanation. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first PM of India. Q. 17. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Yangtze. D. Ganga. Ans. B. Explanation. Nile River is considered the world's longest river. Q. 18. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? A. Italy. B. France. C. Germany. D. Russia. Ans. D. Explanation. Eiffel Tower is located in Paris, France. Q. 19. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Lungs. D. Brain. Ans. B. Explanation. Kidneys filter waste from blood. Q. 20. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Leopard. D. Cheetah. Ans. D. Explanation. Cheetah is the fastest running land animal. Q. 21. What is the national bird of India? A. Sparrow. B. Peacock. C. Parrot. D. Eagle. Ans. D. Explanation. Peacock is the national bird of India. Q. 22. Which vitamin is obtained from sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. vitamin D. Ans. D. Explanation, sunlight helps the body produce vitamin D. Q. 23. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Ans. C. Explanation, Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Q. 24. Who invented the light bulb? A. Newton. B. Edison. C. Bell. D. Tesla. Ans. B. Explanation, Thomas Edison invented the practical electric bulb. Q. 25. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? A. Germany. B. France. C. Canada. D. Italy. Ans. B. Explanation, France gifted the Statue of Liberty to America. Q. 26. Which is the national sport of India? A. Cricket. B. Football. C. Hockey. D. Kabaddi. Ans. C. Explanation, hockey is traditionally regarded as India's national sport. Q. 27. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? A. Akbar. B. Babur. C. Shah Jahan. D. Humayun. Ans. C. Explanation, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in memory of Mumtaz Mahal. Q. 28. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Iron. B. Mercury. C. Copper. D. Silver. Ans. B. Explanation, mercury remains liquid at normal room temperature. Q. 29. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? A. Europe. B. Asia. C. Africa. D. Australia. Ans. C. Explanation, Africa was historically called the Dark Continent. Q. 30. What is the boiling point of water? A. 50 degrees Celsius. B. 75 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Celsius. D. 150 degrees Celsius. Ans. C. Explanation, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at normal pressure. Q. 31. Which is the largest democracy in the world? A. USA. B. India. C. China. D. Russia. Ans. B. Explanation, India is the largest democracy by population. Q. 32. Who was the first president of India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Nehru. C. Gandhi. D. Patel. Ans. A. Explanation, drive. Rajendra Prasad was India's first president. Q. 33. Which is the hardest natural substance? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Diamond. D. Silver. Ans. C. Explanation, diamond is the hardest natural material. Q. 34. Which gas is used in balloons? A. Oxygen. B. Helium. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Ans. B. Explanation, helium is lighter than air and non-flammable. Q. 35. Which country is called the land of rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. Korea. D. Thailand. Ans. B. Explanation, Japan is known as the land of rising sun. Q. 36. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? A. K2. B. Everest. C. Kanchenjunga. D. Alps. Ans. B. Explanation, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain peak. Q. 37. What is the chemical formula of water? A. CO2. B. O2. C. H2O. D. Knuckle. Ans. C. Explanation, water contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Q. 38. Which freedom fighter gave the slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? A. Gandhi. B. Nehru. C. Bose. D. Bhagat Singh. Ans. C. Explanation, Subhash Chandra Bose gave this famous slogan. Q. 39. Which is the largest state in India by area? A. Maharashtra. B. Rajasthan. C. UP. D. MP. Ans. B. Explanation, Rajasthan is India's largest state by area. Q. 40. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? A. Root. B. Stem. C. Leaf. D. Flower. Ans. C. Explanation, leaves prepare food by photosynthesis. Q. 41. Which country has the largest population in the world? A. India. B. China. C. USA. D. Russia. Ans. A. Explanation, India currently has the highest population globally. Q. 42. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Speedometer. D. hygrometer ans. B. Explanation, thermometer measures temperature. Q. 43 which is the national tree of India? A. Mango. B. Neem. C. Banyan. D. Coconut ans. C. Explanation, banyan tree is India's national tree. Q. 44 which vitamin helps in blood clotting? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin K. D. Vitamin D ans. C. Explanation, vitamin K helps blood clot properly. Q. 45 which city is known as the pink city of India? A. Delhi. B. Jaipur. C. Agra. D. Mumbai ans. D. Explanation, Jaipur is famous for its pink colored buildings. Q. 46 which is the smallest planet in the solar system? A. Mars. B. Mercury. C. Venus. D. Neptune ans. D. Explanation, Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Q. 47 which animal is known as the ship of the desert? A. Horse. B. Camel. C. Donkey. D. Elephant ans. D. Explanation, camel is called the ship of the desert due to desert travel ability. Q. 48 which Indian state is famous for tea gardens? A. Punjab. B. Assam. C. Gujarat. D. Bihar ans. D. Explanation, Assam is world famous for tea production. Q. 49 which is the nearest planet to the sun? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Mercury. D. Earth ans. C. Explanation, Mercury is closest to the sun. Q. 50 what is the SI unit of force? A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Watt. D.